Hello guys, welcome back with another video. Now in this video I am going to show you how to fix a stuck seat belt. This is a Nissan vehicle and now you can see in this vehicle I can't pull the seat belt, right? It's not working correctly. So then in this video I will show you how to remove the seat belt assembly and how to fix this error. Please stay with me. So in order to remove the seat belt we have to remove these parts. Here this one, and in order to remove this part we have to remove this part and then this part. Thereafter we will be able to take this whole part out. Okay, I'll show you. So then you can see the removed parts and the seat belt assembly. So then you can see this is the real seat belt assembly. So then I have to remove these two bolts, this one and this one at the bottom. So I'll show you how to remove these two bolts and take the assembly out. So then we can take the assembly out carefully. Okay guys, now in this part you can see there is a plastic cover and this is actually the lock-in mechanism of this seat belt. So I have to check this one first. So in order to take this part out I have to remove this plastic cover and then I have to remove this plastic cover. Then we will see the condition of this lock-in mechanism with the small ball inside it. Okay, right. Actually, I can't take it perfectly out, but now the requirement is I have to remove this cover. Okay, in order to remove this cover, there are small plastic pins that are used to tighten this plastic cover. Therefore, what I can do is I have to remove these small plastic pins in the cover, and I will show you how to remove these plastic pins. Okay, well, in this cover there are three plastic pins here, here, and even here. I don't know whether you can see it, so I am going to use a tool something like that, a pointed tool. Then I will leisurely push these plastic pins out. However, make sure you don't lose these pins, because when we are going to reassemble the unit we need these pins again. So we will see how to remove this small lock-in mechanism. There is a small part behind that one, this part, right? Then by pressing this part we should be able to get the lock-in mechanism carefully out. Make sure you don't make any damages to the lock-in mechanism here, unless you won't be able to refix the lock-in mechanism again. Right, that is a bit difficult. Okay, right, I got this part out. Then we'll see the situation of the ball. I think this ball is rusty but not corroded, but we will see. The best thing is to clean this ball thoroughly well. This metal ball, I think you can see this one. So then we will refix it and try it. Okay, before going to the cleaning operation, I will check the situation of the other part of the seat belt assembly. We will check whether it is working. Yes, it is working totally well. It means the problem associated with the lock-in mechanism with the ball part, with the metallic ball. So yeah, definitely we will be able to get it fixed perfectly after cleaning this ball and the mechanism part. So then I'll tell you how to remove the ball, how to remove this small ball. Actually it is so easy. Carefully we can take this ball out, but make sure you are not breaking this part, unless the whole assembly should be replaced if you break this part. Right, okay, then I'm trying to take the ball out. Let's see. Yeah, okay, now you can see it is not clean, so I have to clean it, or I have to polish it and refix it. How to clean this one? I can use a small sandpaper to clean this part. I will show you. Okay, right guys, now you can see this small rusty ball. So then I can rub this one against a small grid size sandpaper. Then I can clean it like this. You can leisurely clean it, and also at the same time you have to check whether the situation of this part is good or not. It means here if you have any dirty or any other contaminations, you can use a small tool like this and clean it thoroughly well. However, be careful, you don't have to break these parts, because unless it might not be useful again, right? Okay, so as now I have cleaned the ball thoroughly well, and now you can see it is moving freely within this plastic part. So then I expect that this will work perfectly when I fix this one. Okay, we'll see. Okay guys, well now you can see how I have refixed this one now, and then now I'm going to check this one. So when I draw this one leisurely, yes, it is coming out. Then we will see if there is an impact, what will happen. Yes, if there is an impact, it is working. It means leisurely I can draw, and if in an impact, what will happen, the ball will lock the assembly like this. Okay, right, it means my. So as now finally you can see the situation of the seat belt assembly once after fitting into the body. So then I can draw it leisurely, freely, and if there will be an impact, you can see the situation. Okay, right. Now you can see it is working really well. Right, now the final step is to replace the covers and the other parts. That's all. Okay, right. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to give me a subscribe. Thank you. See you. Have a nice day.